morning children, this is 5th class maths. Today I am going to explain S2 profit and loss in block 14. Suppose children you want to buy one pencil box, you go to stationery shop, okay? But stationery shop is a shop person from where he'll bring from wholesale shop, because he'll go and bring wholesale shop in a lot of in boxes. He can't buy in wholesale shop one pencil box children. So he'll bring large amount of pencil boxes, and after bringing he'll sell it for children. He'll sell it for same amount? No. He is a business person. Children, we are teachers. We'll get salary, but business person sometimes will get profit and loss. But business people are always think for profit. Okay, suppose in wholesale shop after bringing, suppose cost price is one pencil box, one pencil box cost is rupees 40. After bringing, he will sell it for how much? Rupees 45. So, how much he got profit? He bought for 40 rupees and he sell for 45 rupees. How much he got? 5 rupees profit he got. How will find children? Here, cost price. Cost price is equal to how much? Rupees 40. And selling price is equal to rupees 45. He got 5 rupees profit. So, profit you have to find. How much? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is how much? Rupees 45 minus cost price is rupees 40. So 45 minus 40 is 5. So he got, how much he got profit? Rupees 5. Okay. Children, this is the formula. If you got profit, you have to use this formula. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. What is the profit formula? So, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Children, I told you cost of one pencil box is rupees 40. Suppose same pencil box is sell it for rupees 38. So, you got profit or loss, children? Here, loss. How many rupees is lost? 2 rupees. So, how will find you? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Here cost price is how much? Rupees 40 minus selling price is rupees 38. So rupees 40 minus rupees 38 is rupees 2 rupees is lost. So whenever you are finding loss, you have to use this. Okay. What loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. To find profit is equal to SP minus CP. We'll write it short form children. SP means selling price minus cost price. CP means cost price. When we are finding loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP means cost price minus SP means selling price. One thing you keep it in your mind, when you are finding profit, always SP is greater than CP. In loss, CP is greater than SP. Okay children? Now take it your workbook. Now I will show you workbook size. Write date 26/11/2020. S2 profit and loss. First question, Rakesh bought a few items from a market and sold them in his shop. Complete the table. Here it is the given table children. Some items are given, cost price, selling price. Find it if you difference and you got profit or loss you have to find out. See A1 oven. He brought cost price 7,200 rupees. Selling price is 9,100. He got profit or loss children? Selling price is greater. So he got profit. How much? 9,100 minus rupees 7,200. So 1,900 he got profit. So profit here. Second B bit, hand mixer. Hand mixer he bought for rupees 1,250. He sold for 1,550. Here he got profit or loss? Here 1,250, 1,550. So he got profit. How much? Rupees 300. Here write profit. Next C bit, toaster. Toaster cost price is rupees 2,500. Selling price is 2,250. Cost price is he bought for 2,500 and he sold for 2,250. He got profit or loss children? Loss. How much? 2,500 minus 2,250. 250 he got loss. Rupees 250 rupees is loss. Next D bit, water cooler. Cost price is rupees 3,900. Selling price is rupees 5,100. Here he got profit. How much? Rupees 1,200. 1,200 rupees he got profit. E bit, steam iron. Rupees 3,250 and selling price is rupees 750. So it got profit or loss children? He got profit. Rupees 3,750 minus rupees 3,250 is equal to how much he got profit? Rupees 500. So profit. Now A bit. Which are the items on which Rakesh made a profit? On which items he got made a profit children? Oven, hand mixer, water cooler, steam iron. So oven profit. Here this is loss, profit. 4 items he got profit. Which items are he got made a profit? You write the items names children. Okay. Next B bit. Which are the items on which Rakesh suffered a loss? Which items he got on loss children? Toaster. He got here rupees 250 he got loss. So write here name, item name. Next C bit. How much total profit or loss did Rakesh made? Children, which are items he got profit and which item he got loss? You write it and find the answer. This A, B, C, do it as homework. Now second bit. Ramu bought 20 kg of mangoes at rupees 130 per kg and sold all the mangoes for rupees 2,600. How much profit or loss did Ramu make? So children, kgs of mangoes Ramu bought. How many kgs he brought? 20 kgs. Cost of per kg is 130 rupees. So find cost of 20 kgs, rupees 130 into 20. So 130 into 20, after multiplying, we got rupees 2,600. So here what is given here? He sold all the mangoes for rupees 2600. How much profit or loss did Ramu make? So he did not got any profit, children, because after selling he got 2600 rupees. If you multiply, we got 2600 only. So Ramu got neither profit nor loss. Okay, I hope you understood. We'll meet in next class. Complete your workbook. Thank you.